So today we're going to take a look at the pollen filter on this Astra K. Now it's not actually a difficult item to replace, and it took me around sort of 10 minutes start to finish. So there are a series of bolts holding it in place. If I remember rightly, it's either a 6 or 7mm socket that you'll need. And there's a hidden one right at the back of the glove box, as you saw there. There are around about sort of 4 to undo. There's a couple on each side, and there is a piece of side trim to remove to the left of the picture there. So you can see I've just pulled back that side trim. There's actually a couple of bolts in there that you need to undo as well, so just to be aware of those. Once you've got that out of the way, you can see that the glove box itself will drop down. It is attached to a piece of under trim, so you just need to be aware of that. The pollen filter itself just comes out. As you can see, that one was really really clogged, to be honest. I was quite surprised how bad it was. The new filter will be directional, so you need to put it in with the arrow facing down, because that's the direction that the air is coming in. So it sits before the fan itself, so it's going to be sucking air in and then air going towards the fan, so that just means it needs to face down. Then you literally just put the glove box back in, do the bolts back up, as you can see that I'm doing there, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. Something else I did whilst I was in there was I was checking the whole area for dampness, because I don't know if you can see on the passenger seat there is a sort of a white stain, which I think is mould. There's sort of spots of it around the car, or certainly were before I replaced the pollen filter. After this sort of video was taken, actually cleaned those up and seem to have got rid of them for now, but I think that blocked filter was causing a build-up of moisture in the interior. The filter itself was actually an original GM filter, so God knows when that was last changed. But anyway, it's changed now. Took me 10 minutes and the job done. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, all of that stuff. Anyway, see you soon.